We're on our way to Kennedy. We are going to go and view the progress of the homes out there. I have plenty of the homes that are under construction and sold. So let's go take a look at the next stage of this for anybody who is curious on those particular properties, or if you're curious about the phases that go into a new build. Pay attention, and I will continue to do these little videos. Okay, we are at Las Colinas in Kennedy, and we're going to take a look at progress here. Follow me. So we have a lot going on in these houses. We're a little behind schedule, but we're getting it done. So I'm going to show you right now 308 Mariposa. This one is under contract, but I want you to take a look at what's going on inside. And then I'm going to show you one that's available. Another stage of the build process. We need to get these walls up, and they are definitely coming up soon. That's going to be the next stage. And that's when I'm going to come back and show you what that looks like. Right now, it looks big and open. Once the walls go in, it'll feel a little tighter, but I promise this is still a great opportunity. Huge house, low price. Come on, let's look at the rest. Yeah, coming in inside. Come and look at the back. Privacy? I think so. All right, let's go see the next one. We are at 310 Mariposa. Come and follow me. This property is 2-story. It is 1,600 square feet, and it is $209,990. It's a little slippery here. We did get some rain, but the workers are still out here doing their job. Let's take a look inside. Keep following. Again, this property is available, $209,990, and there are some great incentives here. But to find them out, you gotta contact me. Kitchen area, living area, and again, this backyard gives you some great privacy. Take a look. If you want to know more about these houses, give me a call.
I belong to you.